Water cycle management in an urban neighborhood, an experiment in environmental technology. The story of a pilot project for sewage and wastewater management undertaken for the Delhi government in the year 2017 and 18. The project uses a decentralized system of biodigestors for primary treatment of soil and wastewater installed below the roads. Secondary treatment is done by bio-remediation in a reed bed and treated water recycled for use of the residents. The pilot project is the result of first-hand research conducted in Aya Nagar, New Delhi between the years 1999 and 2017 by Greha, a charitable society for research on human habitat. The research was led by MN Ashish Ganju, currently President of Greha. Aya Nagar is a 500 or 600 years old village on the outskirts of Delhi, bordering Gurgaon in Haryana. Since the 1980s, the village has been urbanizing, its population having doubled since 2000. Around this time, Greha established itself in Aya Nagar and started to work with the local residents to understand and guide the development of the built environment. The village was extending in a proto-urban pattern without adequate infrastructure or social amenities. The most urgent requirement, agreed by all, was drainage, which included sewerage, wastewater, and surface drainage. Water supply to the village and its extensions was inadequate, the traditional system of rainwater harvesting and shallow wells having been neglected and degraded. Spontaneous house building activity without environmental design or planning was rampant in all open spaces. To design an effective drainage system in these conditions, it was evident that the centralized municipal system, which originated in Europe in the 19th century and early 20th century, was not appropriate. To convey sewage in underground pipes to treatment plants several kilometers away, a large amount of water was required, and this was just not available at present or in the foreseeable future. Hence, a decentralized model was required, which could provide primary treatment contiguous to the household. This became feasible by using technology developed by the Defence Research and Development Organization of the Government of India for biodigestion of soil waste in discrete containers which could be minimized in size. The new technology was adapted to create a small-scale plumbing system which could be installed below the roads, even if they were very narrow, without entering private houses. The treated effluent from the biodigesters would undergo secondary treatment through bio-remediation in a constructed wetland in the nearest suitable open space available. Aya Nagar is located in the southwestern edge of Delhi. Z Block is a dense urban neighborhood of Aya Nagar, housing about 300 families. The neighborhood is surveyed and accurately modeled to inform the residents about the scheme.
और आपके कुछ कमी हो गया है ये पायलट प्रोजेक्ट आपका यहाँ से ही होगा तो उसके लिए आज आपको बुलाया गया सबको और आपको पूरा प्रोजेक्ट पे दिखाया लोकल अथॉरिटी से पार्टनर करें यहाँ के रहने वाले और बीच में टेक्निकल एक्सपर्ट हैं जो कि बता सके कि काम टेक्निकली ठीक कैसे होता है नेट रन कर रहे हैं No, it is representation also. No. Because I have been heard about it. Representation always going to a consultant or you are going to pilot project, and we don't know what is the time frame of this pilot project. If it is, if you have been doing research since 9-10 years, so next 10 years we will be doing this project. So it's of no use to us. So, ट्रीटमेंट प्लांट है। इसको बहुत समस्या जैसे आपने कहा कि पानी आ जाता है, एक तो हमारा जो ब्लैक वाटर है, एक ग्रीन वाटर है, एक बरसात का वाटर है। अभी आप ये कह रहे हैं कि आपकी पूरे सारे तरह के वाटरों की समस्या को सॉल्व करने की जिम्मेदारी तो आप पूरी हल कर देंगे।
The process of water cycle management starts with soil waste treated by biodigesters discharging to a grey water mains and secondary treatment by a reed bed before recycling. Biodigesters are installed under the roads. These are specially designed and fabricated using a patented system developed by the Defence Research and Development Organization of the Government of India. This technological innovation allows for a decentralized distribution of biodigesters with minimum water requirement for flushing. Septage is treated nearest source and treated effluent discharged to a grey water mains connected to a reed bed before recycling. The entire treatment system is accommodated under the narrow roads, maintaining a domestic scale. The roads are repaved to harvest rainwater along with the surface water. Concrete block paving completes the renewal of the streets. On the forest edge of Aya Nagar is G and H block, where biodigesters were installed in individual households. There were no roads here. Detailed consultations were held with householders to position the new toilets according to their needs. Biodigesters designed to fit in small houses were installed in open spaces of house plots. A specially designed shelter fits above the biodigester to provide privacy and security. The householders were trained and informed about their use and maintenance.
खुले में शौच करते हैं, एक ये है। दूसरा क्या है, जिनके घरों में टॉयलेट है वो लोग गड्ढे में इकट्ठा करते हैं, नीचे गड्ढा बनाया हुआ है ना, नीचे पिट बनाया हुआ है और उसके अंदर जो रिंग्स डाल रखे हैं उसके अंदर सारा ये कलेक्ट करते हो जितना भी गंदा होता है आपका। तो ये उसका चित्र है। तो इन दोनों को जब आप इस एरिया में करते हो तो उससे क्या क्या गड़बड़ी होती हैं। देखो, एक तो मक्खी मच्छर होते हैं जो इस एरिया में हर जगह देखने को मिलते हैं। दूसरा क्या है कि यही जो गंदा होता है, ये आप जो भी दीवारें बनाते हो सीमेंट की या ईंटों की, उसके थ्रू ये क्या करते हैं, मिट्टी के अंदर जाता है हर
55 houses were provided with the biodigester toilets, 27 in the first phase and 28 in the second phase, all in satisfactory use since September 2017.